The murder rate is now down 42% this year, 21% last year, and 7% the year before. So now we can, for the first time in over 30 years, almost 40 years, look for a murder rate that is below 700. Yet, there are those who would want to say, no, government don't have nothing to do with that. It's some magic that it happened. But, I mean, yes, you'll always have people talk nonsense. What you worry about is the people who believe it. It's called confirmation bias. They already had it in their mind never to accept anything good that the government has done. So they just want to hear some negativity to reaffirm their already negative position. But the only way to challenge that is to keep doing good, to keep showing the facts that are indisputable. And it is indisputable that you have a far lower murder rate today than you had in the last 30 years.